Subhanallah, it reminds me of how, astaghfirullah, I have to give this example simply because so many people would understand it. When you have a football match right at the end and there's just a few minutes remaining and how exciting it becomes, and they want you to score as many goals as you can. The goal, the match can literally tilt in any direction based on how many goals you're going to score. On the day of Arafah, it's a different example, but just to bring it closer to your mind, I gave you that, or to your understanding. You're now having a few moments remaining. Come on, what du'as are you making? Make beautiful du'as, go on, ask for forgiveness, ask for what you want, repeat it, say it again and again. Have a list of things that you want to ask Allah for. It's beautiful. Whether you're in Arafat on the day of Arafah, or you're not in Arafat on that day and you're elsewhere, no problem. You ask Allah, you call out to Allah, you pray to Allah, subhanallah.